Investigators exclusive Fall River fallout. We're hearing from the city's mayor, Paul Coogan, about our findings into the Fall River Police Department.
At 5, we brought you this surveillance video at the center of a police abuse of power case and the multiple scandals that have rocked the department in recent years. Mayor Coogan tells us the city is in the process of turning the department around.
Target 12 investigator Tim White sat down with the mayor and is here now with the exclusive details.
At least 9 police officers from those multiple scandals have come under the microscope, and dozens of criminal cases pending in the courts are now in jeopardy. This video obtained by Target 12 is evidence in a criminal case against Fall River police officer Michael Pessoa. Prosecutors say it shows Pessoa punching a man outside a Fall River apartment complex in 2019. Pessoa was indicted on 15 counts, accused of assaulting 4 men in 4 separate incidents, then allegedly falsifying police reports to cover up his actions. 3 other officers were also accused of filing false reports on Pessoa's behalf. 2 resigned, and the department is attempting to terminate the third. In 2020, a Target 12 undercover investigation revealed the then police chief, Albert Dupere, drinking with other officers at a local pub during the day for several hours, then driving a department vehicle. He stepped down to deputy chief after Target 12 showed him the video. And this year, Detective Joshua Robillard was suspended for 25 days and transferred from the Vice unit after an alarming amount of undocumented heroin, cocaine, and fentanyl was found in and around his desk. People might be looking at the situation at your department and be asking the question of what is going on over there. What do you tell them?
I tell them we're in the process of cleaning it up. Those things that you're talking about, Tim, all negatives are being brought forward to be addressed.
Fall River Mayor Paul Coogan says the city brought in former Boston Police Commissioner Ed Davis to assess the department. Davis focused heavily on issues tied to the union contract. And Coogan appointed a new chief, Jeffrey Cardozo, who was the lead investigator on the Pessoa case.
I know that when you have a department like that, you do have some bad actors and some people get themselves into positions that they shouldn't be. But to clean that up in 1.5 years or 2 years is near impossible.
In the case of Robillard and the drug evidence, the Bristol County District Attorney's Office says they have so far identified 70 cases that could be impacted by the scandal.
Now, I am very concerned when cases are thrown away because of somebody neglected to do what they were supposed to do. But I am confident that going forward, those things are being addressed as they come up.
Target 12 has learned Robillard did not appear at 2 court hearings in cases he was the detective on. One case was dismissed. Robillard, who was reassigned from the Vice Squad to the booking room at the department, is now out of work on injured on duty status. A spokesperson tells Target 12 he was told Robillard sustained an injury while manipulating a door to one of the cells.
I'm very confident in the police department. As I said, I think there's a real good, strong core group of guys that are going to carry that department for the next 20 years, long after I'm gone.
A lawyer for Michael Pessoa, the officer charged in the police abuse case, tells me his client is being used as a scapegoat, saying his indictments are nothing more than a political stunt for which a public servant has been wrongly crucified. With the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, 12 News.